Content creators must make what they want to make. There's a lot of conflicting advice out there about what makes creators on the internet the most successful. A lot of figuring out what works for you depends on how you personally define success as a content creator. But there is one thing you can do from the very beginning that will set you up for success no matter what you want that to look like for you. It's the content creators who start out making what they want to make and continuously adapt their output to reflect their changes in interests and priorities, who find the most success in their careers. Here's what that actually means. Don't make content because it's popular. Many creators make the mistake of jumping too hard into trends, meaning that they see a type of content that's currently getting a lot of views and decide to replicate that with every new video or post. But here's the problem with that. What's popular now may not be popular even a week from now. There is value in being able to switch gears quickly, because the social internet is in constant motion. But if you're always creating content based on what's popular, and not based on things you actually like to make content about, you're going to drive yourself straight into burnout. Build a loyal audience by being enthusiastic. Audiences who flock to viral or popular content types don't often stick around. But audiences who follow content made by creators who genuinely enjoy making it are much more likely to hang around and become part of a niche community of followers. People are often drawn to people who are passionate about what they're creating. If viewers can see that passion on your face or hear it in your voice, you're on your way to building something truly unique and special. This article was originally published on vloggerbeat.com as content creators must make what they want to make.